this is question number 8. Draw the projections of polygons, square, pentagon, hexagon with side 30 mm. When the polygon is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. It is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. The center of polygon is 25 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Don't get confused. In this question, you have 3 bits. First, you have to draw the projections of a square, then pentagon, then hexagon. So we'll call this bit as 8A, 8B and 8C. So you have to do 3 questions. You have to solve 3 questions in this single question. So we'll start with the explanation of this 3, square, pentagon and hexagon. Then I will draw this 3 on the drawing sheets. Now in this question there are 3 bits, that is a square plane, a pentagonal plane and hexagonal plane is given. So I'll show you about the square plane. So as mentioned in the question, you can see that I have a square, which you can observe here. This is a square plane, and as I've mentioned, every plane will have no thickness, only it will have 2 surfaces on both sides. So this is a square plane. So in the simplest of cases, you will see that from the top view the square will look like a square, and from the front view it will be just a line which so I'll show you by rotating with this plane. See that as the rotation angle increases, the square is being, now it is a complete square. When I rotate it, now I am rotating it more, it is being contracted. Now at the angle, orthogonal angle, that is at 90 degrees, it will just appear as a straight line. Here the square is there, but it's not being visible to you. You can see these dots here, these are indicating there is a line of that square. So this will be going to be your top view, and a straight line will be going to be your front view. So similar to the square, and pentagon and hexagon will appear similar to this. Like there will be a pentagon in the top view, and there will be a straight line in the front view. Same with the hexagon. Front view will be a line and top view will be a hexagon. Now we will see how to draw these 3 figures one by one. As this is parallel to HP, we will get the top view as a square, because first polygon I am taking as a square. So this is going to be our top view, which is a regular square figure with 4 sides equal. These are the diagonals to get the center point, and it is mentioned in the question that it is 40 mm in front of VP. For this reason I am taking XY line here. This is your XY line, and I am taking these projections to get the front view, which is 25 mm above HP. So this is our 25 mm, and this is the front view. Simply see that A, B, C, D, A dash and D dash will come here, and C dash and B dash will come here. So let's say this is exercise number 8A. That's completed. So this is just a pentagon. It is very similar to the previous square. So now the side is, let's say, it's given in the question as 30. So I am drawing first the side as 30 here. I will complete the pentagon. 72 degree angle. 72 degree angle. it is 30. I'm using ruler here to not change the orientation of the drafter. Again 72 degree. So this is also 30. If we join this two, our pentagon is complete. Say this is A, B, C, D and E. I will try to get the center of this first. So this is its center point, and the reason why I am taking the center point here is it's given that it is 40 mm in front of VP center. So this is the center, and here is the 45. So this will become my XY line, and for the front view I am projecting all these lines. And front view will be 25 above HP. So I'm marking a point here, and this line is simply your front view. And this point is A dash, this point is B dash, this point is E dash, this is D dash. So A, B, C. This is C, B dash, and this is E dash. So say this is 8B. Thank you. Side to just draw the arcs. There you go. Around the arcs. See, this is as A, B, C, D, E, F, and as mentioned in the question, the center is 40 mm in front of VP. So this is the center. This is our XY line. From VP the distance is 40 mm, and it is 25 mm above the HP. So this line is your front view. This is A dash, E dash, this is B, sorry, this is E dash, F dash, this is B dash, E dash, this is C dash, D dash, till this point only. So this is exercise 8C.